Good morning, students. Today we are study about the cell organelles. And in last lecture, we already talked about nucleus, cell wall, and endoplasmic reticulum. Now here we discuss about mitochondria. Okay. Before mitochondria, what is cell organelle? Organelle is a subcellular structure that has one or more specific jobs to perform in a cell, much like an organ does in the body. Among the more important cell organs are the nuclei, which store genetic information, mitochondria, which provide chemical energy, and ribosome, which are assembled proteins. So here we discuss about three more organelles. First one is mitochondria, second one is plastids, third one is your vacuole. Okay. We discuss here about mitochondria. Okay, what is mitochondria? These are the cellular organelles termed as powerhouse of the cell. If we someone talk about what we call the powerhouse of the cell, we call mitochondria a powerhouse of the cell. Okay, and these are bounded by a double membrane. The outer membrane is smooth while the inner membrane is thrown into the hole called as cristae. Okay, these cristae increase the area of cellular respiration. As earlier we told about that the single cell organisms also respire. Mitochondria have a layer of cristae which increase the area of cellular respiration. Okay. Mitochondria release energy in the form of ATP molecules. Okay, and ATP is known as the energy currency of the cell. Okay, mitochondria have its own DNA. That means they are able to make some of their own protein. Okay, so mitochondria, there is two most important function, that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, and second one, it is the energy currency of the cell. Okay, which we call as ATP. Right? I hope you understand this. Okay. Next, next organelle is plastid. Okay, have you heard about plastid? Okay, plastid means it only present in plant cell. Okay, there are two types of plastid. One is chromoplast and second one is leucoplast. Okay, plastid contain pigments called chlorophyll, known as means chlorophyll is a pigment in plant which use or trap sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, means plastid contain basically pigment like chloroplast, like chromoplast, like leucoplast. Okay, and now we talk about chromoplast. Okay, what is chromoplast? Chromoplasts are the organelles which provide bright color of the plant like flowers and in birds. Okay, and we talk about if leucoplast. Okay, leucoplasts are the organelle which store starch, oil, and protein. Okay, means plastid contain of numerous membrane layers embedded in the material called stroma. Okay, there is stroma, means plastid contain numerous membrane layers, means various material for in the form of membrane layer, we call it stroma. And one more important, there plastid also have their own DNA and ribosome. Those organelles which are embedded with ribosome means they are from their own DNA. Okay, after that we our next is vacuole. Okay, next is vacuole. What is vacuole? Vacuole, it is a membrane bound compartment present in both plant and animal cell. In like plastid is present in only plant cell, but vacuole is present in both cell, animal cell and plant cell. Okay, these are small size in animal cell but in bigger in plant cell. That is very more important difference between plant and animal cell. In plant cell, vacuole are full of sap and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cells. Okay, you know the meaning of turgidity and rigidity. We also seen this function in our stomata. Okay, these organelles store water, waste product, and substances like amino acid, sugar, and proteins. Okay, in some unicellular, if you talk about in some cellular organism, unicellular means one cell. Okay, specialized vacuoles also play important role in expelling excess water and some waste from the cell. These all expelling of water and excess the water from the body, these are all formed by the vacuole. So vacuole play a very important function in means in cell. Okay, where it's plant cell or in animal cell. These all about mitochondria, plastics and vacuoles. Okay, now here there is plant cell and animal cell. Okay, if we talk about the plant cell and animal cell, means cells are the basic unit of living organisms, as we know that. Okay, and where all life processes are carried out. Animal cell and plant cells share the common components of the nucleus, like cytoplasm, like mitochondria and a cell membrane. Okay, plant cell has three extra components: a vacuole, chloroplast and a cell wall, that are not present in animal cell. Okay, in plant cell, in animal cell, animal are made up of millions of cells. Means animal have an irregular structure and are made up of four key points like nucleus. You know the nucleus. This nucleus contains genetic material like DNA and control all the cell activity. It contains cell membrane, which is flexible layer that surround the cell and control the substances that enter and exit. They contain cytoplasm, means a jelly-like substances where the chemical reaction happen. There is mitochondria. This is very where energy is released from the food molecules. Okay, and if you talk about the plant cell, then plant cell are also made up of millions of cells. Plant cell have a nucleus. Plant cell have a cell membrane. Plant cell have a cytoplasm and mitochondria too. But they also contain the following structures. Means they contain cell wall, a hard layer outside the cell membrane containing cellulose, which provide them strength. Okay, it also take vacuole, a space inside the cell that is used to store substances and help the cell keep its shape. Okay, it contains chloroplast, structure that contain the green pigment chlorophyll, which are a key point of a photosynthesis. Okay, if we write four differences of plant cell and animal cell, the first one difference is plant cell possess cell wall, but animal cell do not possess any cell wall. Okay, second most important difference is plant cell have chloroplast. Okay, but animal cell do not possess any type of chloroplast. Okay, third one is plant cell possess large vacuole, as you seen in the diagram. Okay, and animal cell have many small vacuoles. Okay, a fourth most important, higher plant do not possess centriole. Okay, but in animal cell do contain centriole. Here what is centriole? Means centriole, it help in the development of spindle fiber in the cell division, which is present in animal cell. Okay, these we are talking about all cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, like nucleus, like cell wall, like mitochondria, like endoplasmic reticulum, plastids. Okay, and also we discuss here about the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay, this is all about our lecture, today's lecture. I hope you all understand and enjoying it. Okay, if you have any query, we have also a Zoom class. We are discussing there your doubts. Okay, beta. Please be safe in your home. Okay, and keep studying. Thank you.